I'm here with the Atmos series magnet by Blue Streak Equipment. It is a continuous discharge magnet sweeper for shot blasting surface preparation. It's about 52 inches in width. As you can tell, if I push it forward, the magnet turns and dumps steel shot into both of these trays right here. Each tray can hold about 42 pounds of steel shot. Can pick up shot anywhere from S170 to S550, and as you can see right here in front of me, I have S390, and I will demonstrate with the magnet on how well it picks it up. And as you can see, it picks up a pretty wide variety or large amount of shot that's out on the ground. And as you can see right here in front of me in the cracks, there's shot there in the cracks. It picks it up as well. And as you can see, all the shot that I just picked up is right here in the two trays.